Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sore Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting guitar lesson for you, or lessons for you. This is Extreme's classic song More Than Words as my take on it. It's not exactly the same as Extreme obviously, but it's not a bad take-off I don't think. Okay, I'm going to split it into 3 lessons so we don't get overloaded. Okay. This lesson part 1 will be about the intro and the verse section, the first part of the verse. Okay, so first thing to note, I am in standard tuning. Okay, if you want to play along with the Extreme records of this track, they tend to play their guitars with detuned by half a step. Okay, half a step down. So if you want to play along with them, detune your guitar by half a step and play everything I'm about to show you. You should be in tune with them. Okay, so let's get to it. So the first chord I played was a G chord, but a 4-fingered variety. So a standard G chord, but you double up on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string and the 3rd string. Okay, and this is a sort of thumb pluck sort of song. It's not a finger picking as such, it's plucking sort of song. Okay, so from the 4-fingered G, the first thing we do is we hit the bottom E string on the 3rd fret with the thumb, and then we pluck the first 3 strings, top E string, the B string and the G string, with the first 3 fingers of your right hand, or strumming hand if you're doing left-handed, like that. So thumb, pluck. Okay. Then we comes with this slap, okay, which is very important in this song. Okay, different ways of slapping. Okay, the way I'm doing it is basically just bring my hand back down to the strings and hitting the strings into the fretboard is not too hard. Got that? Practice it, okay? Get the feel for it. Okay, so thumb, 3rd fret, bottom E string, pluck the top 3 strings, slap. Then the second chord is this it's the same as G chord, but it's the second finger, the first finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string now comes into play, and you pluck that with your thumb along with the top 3 strings all together, so 4 strings played together. Okay, and then you play those top 3 strings on their own. Okay, so the thing goes 4-fingered G, thumb plays the 3rd fret of the bottom E string, 3rd fret, pluck the first 3 strings, slap, then pluck the 4 strings, 2nd on the 5th, along with the top 3 strings together, then pluck the first 3 strings on their own together, slap. Okay, so now we've got this. Right? Do it again for you. Very slowly. Can't do it slowly. Hang on. Okay, then we move to a different chord, a C added 9. We keep these 2 fingers from the 4-fingered G where they are, 3rd fret of the 2nd string and the top E string there. Okay, but these 2 fingers from the G move down a string. So the first finger is on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and my 2nd finger is on the 3rd fret of the 5th string. Okay, and we hit the 3rd fret of the 5th string with the thumb, and we pluck the top 3 strings again with the 3 fingers of the strumming hand, and then slap. So now we've got this. So that's okay, so we add that to what we've got already and you've got this. Okay, do that again for you. Okay, then what we do is we pluck the 5th string on the 3rd fret there with the top 3 strings all together twice, and then we do another slap. Okay, so put that one on the end, and now we've got this. Okay, let's try that again. Try and slow it down, it's quite difficult. Hang on. Okay, just once more. No, I didn't do it right. Sorry, here we go. Okay, then what we do is we move to an A minor 7th. A minor with the 3rd finger off, open 3rd string there. Okay, 2nd on the 4th, 1st on the 2nd. Okay, and we play the 5th string open with the thumb and the top 3 strings all together twice, and then a slap. So now we've got this. Okay, try once more. Okay, then what we do is we play the 5th string with the thumb again, the A string, and the top 3 strings together, but we initially, on the first one, we put pinky on the top E string, 3rd fret, and then take it off and play again the 5th string with the thumb, top 3 strings with your fingers. Right, and then we do another slap. So you got. So now we've got this. Okay, and then we go to the C chord. Right. So, alright, and what that is another 5th string, 3rd C chord, basic 3-fingered C chord, 5th string, 3rd fret, along again with the top 3 strings together twice. Slap. Okay? So now we've got this. Right. Okay, got the idea? Try and play that slowly for you. Okay, then we go up to the D chord and we pluck the 4th string with your thumb and the other 3 strings, top 3 strings again with your 3 fingers. Strum, you pluck that once and then put your pinky on the 3rd fret of the top E string to make it a D suspended 4th. Slap, and then we're back to repeat the whole thing again with the G. Alright, so okay, so there you have it. That's my first lesson on this particular song. Not the easiest song to play by a long way. Okay, the slapping takes quite a lot of practice. I'm not particularly good at it myself, but I'm trying to hopefully push you in the right direction. Okay, well, thanks for watching and listening, and The next lesson will be part 2, where it comes out of the because it goes into an E minor and an A minor 7th, D7, blah blah blah. Okay, the second part of the song. Okay, so look forward to that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.